Hello, Hollyhock. Hello again, I should say. I'm Daniel Maté. I'm in Victoria, and on the other side of the screen there, next to me is, across the water, is Gabor Maté, my dad. And this is our promo video for our November 2019 workshop, Hello Again, a fresh start for parents and their adult children. It'll be the fourth year in a row that we're doing it in Vancouver for Hollyhock, and we're really excited to be doing it. And in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about what's been on our mind about this topic and what we've learned in the workshop and anything else that comes up. And we're going to keep it brief and snappy. And Dad, you want to go first?
Sure. Well, Daniel, I'm excited to be working with you again. First of all, I really enjoyed the process. It's got its tensions, but it's certainly got its rewards.
I hadn't noticed.
You hadn't noticed the tension.
It just rolls off my back.
Yeah. But it's exciting because this is a building process.
Yeah.
We are writing a book on this subject after we finish the other book that we're working on together first. But each year we see deeper and deeper transformations in relationships that is certainly a hugely important relationship to everybody. And whether the people have totally given up on it or they've settled for something less than is possible for them. Just the courage and the openness and the commitment and the intention that people bring to the workshop. And then I think with our increasingly adept assistance and guidance, the results have been quite remarkable. So I'm excited to be doing this. I enjoyed the process very much. And being on stage with you. I enjoy interacting with the participants, and I enjoy seeing what happens as a result. So I'm glad to be looking forward to this event next month here in Vancouver.
Yes, yeah. Well, ditto to all of that. One thing I've been really enjoyed personally is that I feel a lot less alone, if that makes any sense, on this topic. I think when we started it, the operative question was, well, is anyone really going to either relate to this, want to talk about it? Is this as big a deal as we think it might be? And so we found, and I've really been happy to see that in all different shapes and sizes, these relationships remain really important to people. And even when they are on the shelf, even when those relationships are totally estranged or when one person's passed away, there's just such a different variety of manifestations, but everyone brings something common to it. There's a longing, there's a curiosity, there's potential. And I love it when potential gets excavated and explored and people do really courageous work. And I also really love working with you on this. And you're right that there can be tensions, but on a certain level, I just love it. Like, here we are willingly diving into this territory with everybody. We are not standing there at the front of the room being like, okay, we're going to tell you how to have a perfect relationship. So it's a fun adventure, and it's always different. And I'm sure this year will be no exception. So looking forward to it.
Wow. So those of you that are watching and considering coming, please check out the Hollyhock website for the exact dates, registration details, and so on. And we look forward to seeing many people, as we already know, are signed up at this upcoming workshop.
Right. And just for clarity, in case it's not clear, you can either come. We have a Friday night public talk for anybody, whether you're participating in the weekend workshop or not. And that's always valuable. And then there's workshop on full day Saturday, half day Sunday, which is also available. You can do one or both or neither, but we hope to see you in November.